Hi all, welcome to EduTech AI Prime. Today we are dealing with some important questions based on KTU BTech Maths S1 Module 2. So we can move on to the first question. Define a homogeneous linear ODE of second order. Give its general form. A second order linear ODE is homogeneous if the RHS is equal to 0. The general form is A into d square y by dx square plus b into dy by dx plus cy is equal to 0, where a, b, and c are constants and a is not equal to 0. The solution is obtained using the auxiliary or characteristic equation. So we can move on to the next question. Write the auxiliary equation and general solution for a y double dash plus b y dash plus cy is equal to 0. The auxiliary equation is ar square plus br plus c is equal to 0. Let's root be the distant real, repeated root, and complex root. The distant real is r1 and r2. The repeated root is r, and the complex root is alpha plus or minus beta. So the distant real y is equal to c1 e raised to r1x plus c2 e raised to r2x. The repeated root y is equal to c1 plus c2x e raised to rx. The complex root y is equal to e raised to alpha x into c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x. So we can move on to the next question. What is the principle of superposition? For a linear differential equation, if y1 and y2 are solutions, then y is equal to c1 y1 plus c2 y2. So we can move on to the next question. What is the method of undetermined coefficients? A method to find particular solution of a y double dash plus b y dash plus cy is equal to f of x. They are k e raised to mx and they are k into cos ax, k sin ax. They are polynomials and combinations. So we can move on to the next question. Write the complementary function cf and particular integral pi. The general solution is equal to cf plus pi. That means complementary function plus particular integral. Cf gives solution of homogeneous equation. Pi gives solutions due to RHS. Solve y double dash minus 3y dash plus 2y is equal to 0. The auxiliary equation is r square minus 3r plus 2 is equal to 0. Then we can factorize into r minus 1 and r minus 2 is equal to 0. The roots are r is equal to 1 and r is equal to 2. The general solution is y is equal to c1 e raised to x plus c2 e raised to 2x. So we can move on to the next question. Solve y double dash minus y is equal to 0. Y of 0 is equal to 2, y dash of 0 is equal to 3. So the solution is, the auxiliary equation is r square minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, r is equal to plus or minus 1. Therefore, y is equal to c1 e raised to x plus c2 e raised to minus x. We can apply the initial conditions. Y of 0 is equal to 2. Therefore, c1 plus c2 is equal to 2. Y dash of 0 is equal to 3. Therefore, c1 minus c2 is equal to 3. Therefore, C1 is equal to 5 by 2 and C2 is equal to minus 1 by 2. So, therefore, y is equal to 5 by 2 e raised to x minus 1 by 2 e raised to minus x. So, we can move on to the next question. Solve y double dash plus 2y dash plus 5y is equal to e raised to minus x. The solution is CF is equal to r square plus 2r plus 5 is equal to 0. Yc is equal to e raised to minus x into c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x. The pi is trial for RHS e raised to minus x. Therefore, the yp is a e raised to minus x. Then substitute a is equal to 1 by 4. Therefore, the solution is y is equal to e raised to minus x into c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x plus 1 by 4 e raised to minus x. So we can move on to next question. Solve y double dash plus 4y is equal to 0. The auxiliary equation is r square plus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, the solution is equal to y is equal to c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x. So we can move on to the next question. Solve y double dash minus 3y dash plus 2y is equal to 0. The auxiliary equation is r square minus 3r plus 2 is equal to 0. R minus 1 into r minus 2 is equal to 0. So the roots are r is equal to 1, 2. Therefore, the general solution is y is equal to c1 e raised to x plus c2 e raised to 2x. So let's conclude our video. We can continue our next parts on the next videos. Stay tuned. It's me Akshay. Goodbye.